Heard that, and I see a green flag from afar. So Jared Ajlonny now has 2 minutes. Go ahead and start my own stopwatch here so I can be close to let you know when he is done. Again, Jared Ajlonny, again, they talked earlier about him possibly attempted a double backflip for the first time in competition here at the Blowjit Surf Slam. Jared was not in the pro competition, which he has competed in years past. He came here solely for this trick competition. So again, $500, half a grand on the line. Oh, you guys thought he was going to do it right there, didn't you? Didn't you? That's what I call premature acceleration. Maybe good if you're on a boat. Not so good. 1 minute remaining. He has 1 minute, hasn't done anything yet. He's playing around. Oh, he almost did it again. He's got less than a minute remaining. I've got 1:06 right now. Uh-oh, I'm hearing 40 seconds from our official judges. Don't matter what my stopwatch says. I'm on G-Shot time. How crazy you have to be. Let's see what he's got. Probably right around 30 seconds now. He's waiting on that perfect wave. All right, there's the backflip. There's a backflip. Nice amplitude. Nice round of applause for Jared. All right, well, he's got the rotation down. Let's see what he's got. Whoa! He didn't have anything right there, but it looked like he was going to. Jared Ajlonny. Looks like there's something building on the outside. Seconds left. There has been a 1 minute extension given because of a flux capacitor. Somebody got that, didn't they? All right, riders, I've been informed all riders will be getting 3 minutes and not 2 minutes. 15 seconds left for Jared Ajlonny. Jared throwing one backflip out there so far. Time winding down. Tick-tock goes the clock. And once again, Jared is supposed to back up perfect rate. They might not be out there in that 3 minutes that he has.